Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are ready with your maths book for today's class. Okay, in today's class, we are going to continue our chapter 9, which we have started in our previous class. And I hope you all are learning the tables. Now, open your maths book, page number 90. Today, we will do exercise 9B. As in our previous class, we did 9A and division by 10, 100 and 1000. I hope you all are completing your notes. Okay, now let us start our exercise 9B. Today we are going to see the division by a two-digit number. Okay, today we are going to see the division of two-digit number. So let us start with the first one. Let us do 111 divide 11. Okay, now here 11 is your divisor and 111 is your dividend. Okay, so let us do in division form. So here 11 and 111 here. Okay, now here we have to follow the table of 11. So we will take here two digit only 11. Now 11 in 11's table, that is 11 ones are 11. Now in division we used to subtract the number. So put the minus sign, 0 and 0. Now take this one number here. Now for this one, put 1 0 in the quotient. Okay, so this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So your quotient is 10 and your remainder is 1. Okay, let us do one more from here, that is C. 495 divide 11. Okay, so here 11 is your divisor, 495 is your dividend. Okay, now again here we will take the two digit 49, because if we will take only one digit, that is in hundreds place, 4 will be less than 11. So we will take 49. So now 49 in 4's table, 11 1's 11, 11 2's 22, 11 3's 33, 11 4's 44, 11 5's 55. Now 55 will be more than 49. So we have to take the number which is less than 49, and that is 11 4's 44. Now put the minus sign, 4 from 4, 0. 4 from 9, when you will subtract 4 from 9, you will get 5 here. Now take the number which is in one's place, that is 5. Now 55 in 11's table, 11 5's 55. Put the minus sign, 0, 0. So your quotient is 45 and here your remainder is 0, 0. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now let us move to question number 2. Let us do 489 divide 12. Okay, so 12 is your divisor, 489 is your dividend. Okay, now we will take 48, because if we will take only one digit 4, that will be less than 12. So we will take 48. Now 48 in 12's table, decide the table of 12 and get 48 in 12's table, that is 12 4's 48. Okay, 12 4's 48. Now put the minus sign here, 0, 0. Now take the number which is in one's place, that is 9. Now 9, we will stop our division here only, because 9 is less than 12. So just put 1 0 in the quotient. So your quotient is 40 and your remainder is 9. Okay. Now let us do one more. See, 384 divide 12. Okay. So 12 is your divisor, 384 is your dividend. Okay. Now 38 in 12's table. Now recite the table of 12 and get 38. As you can see, 12 3's 36, 12 4's 48. Now 48 will be more than 38. So what we will do? We will see the number which is less than 38, and that is 36. Now how many times does 36 multiplies in 12's table? That is 3 times. So 12 3's 36 here, minus 3 minus 3 0, 6 from 8, that is 2. Now take the number that is in one's place, 4. Now 24 in 12's table, 12 2's 24, minus 0, 0. So student, here your quotient is 32 and remainder is 0, 0. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Now let us move to question number 3. Let us take 556 divide 13. Okay, now here we have to follow the table of 13. So 13 is your divisor, 556 is your dividend. Now here same thing we will do, we will take 2 digit, that is 55. Okay, now 55 in 13's table you have to see. So when you will recite the table of 13 and you will see 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65. Now 16 5 is more than 55. So what we have to see? We have to see the number which is less than 55 and that is 52. Now how many times does 52 multiplies in 13's table? That is 13 fours are 52. Put the minus sign and do the subtraction. 2 from 5, that is 3. Now take the number which is in ones place, that is 6. Now 36 in 13's table. Now you can see here 39 is there but 36 is not there and 39 is more than 36. So what we have to do? We will take the number which is less than 36 and that is 26. So for 13 twos are 26 minus 0 and 2 from 3, 1. So here your quotient is 42 and your remainder is 10. Okay. Now here comes, let us do one more. 395 divide 13. Okay. Now 13 divisor, 395 division. Now 39 in 13's table, that is 3 times. So 39 3s are 39. Put the minus sign, 0, 0. Now take the number which is in ones place, that is 5 and that is less than 13. So we will stop our division here only and we will put 1 0 in the quotient. So quotient is 30 and your remainder is 5. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Okay students, in this way you have to do. Now let us move to question number 4. Question number 4, 284 divide 14. Now 14 is your divisor, 284 is your dividend. Now same, we will take 2 digit here also because if we will take only 1 digit, that is 2, will be less than 14. So let us take 28. Now 28 in 14's table, that is 14 twos are 28 minus 0, 0. Now take the number that is in ones place, 4. Now for this 4, as it is less than 14, so we will stop our division here only and we will put 1 0 in the quotient. Okay. So your quotient is 20 and your remainder is 4. Okay. Now let us take one more. See, 728 divide 14. Again 14 is your divisor, 728 is your dividend. Now 72 in 14's table. Okay, now when you will recite the table of 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84. Now 14 6s are 84 and that is more than 72. So we will take the number which is less than 72 and that is 70. And how many times does 70 multiplies in 14's table? That is 5 times. So 70 here and minus sign here. Now 0, 2, take this 8 here. Now 28 in 14's table, that is 2 times. So 28 minus 0, 0. So quotient is 52 and your remainder is 0, 0. Okay. Now let us move to question number 5. So students, in this way you have to do exercise 9b. You have to practice and solve the given divisions. Okay. Now 497. Let us do the first one. Let us do this one. 15. Okay. Now 15, 497. So same here we will take 2 digit 49. Now 49 in 15's table. 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. Now 60 is more than 49. So we will see the number which is less than 49, and that is 45. And how many times does it multiplies? That is 15 3s are 45. Now put the minus sign. 4 minus 4 0. 5 from 9, that is 4. Now take this 7 also. Now again 47. So again we will take 15 3s are 45 minus here 0 and 5 from 7, that is 2. Okay. Students, 1 minute. Yes. So here your quotient is 33 and your remainder is 0 2. Okay. Now let us do the first one. As it is of 0, so this I will do for you. Now as you can see, 15 is your divisor and 300 is your dividend. Now let us take the first two digit, that is in hundreds and tens place, that is 30. Now 30 in 15's table, as you can see here, 15 2s are 30. So minus 0 0. Take this 0 here. Now for this 0, put 1 0 in the quotient. So your quotient is 20 and your remainder is 0 0. Okay. So it was so easy as I know the tables. So students, learn the tables. The division will be more fast and easy for you. Okay. So in this way you have to complete exercise 9B. Now let us move to our exercise 9C. Okay. As it is the word problem. Okay. Now I am going to read the first one. Kindly pay attention. A bus has 8 rows of seats. Each row has equal number of seats. If 48 children can sit in the bus, how many seats are in each row? Now here we have to find out the number of seats in each row. Okay, as you can see here, the division is given there, 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. So remainder is 0. That means there are 6 seats in each row. 112 pencils were divided equally among 9 children. How many pencils did each child get? How many pencils were left? Now here we have to find out the number of pencils each child got and how many pencils were left. So here is the division. 112 divide 9. So 9 ones are 9, 22 you got, then 9 twos are 18 and remainder you here got 4. That means 4 pencils were left and 12 pencils each child got. Okay, now here students see, solution is given here. So the solution is given here. So for this two word problem 1 and 2, you will make the statement. Okay, solution is here and you have to make the statement. I will start from question number 3. Okay, now I am going to do question number 3 for you with proper statement. Tom stuck 76 photos in his album. If he stuck 4 photos on each page, how many pages did he use? Okay, so let us make the statement. Total number of photos. What is the total number of photos given there? That is 76. Okay. Now, number of photos on each page. That is 4. So, now what we will do? 76 divide 4. 4 ones are 4. Has 4 twos are 8. And 8 is more than 7. So we will take 4 ones are 4. Now 4 from 7, that is 3. Take this 6 here. Now 36 in 4's table. 4 9s are 36. Minus 0 0. So the answer which we got is he used 19 pages. Okay. So in this way we have solved question number 3. Now question number 4. Mau can cut 7 pieces out of 1 cake. How many cakes does she need for 84 guests? Now here we have to find out the number of cakes for 84 guests. Okay, so let us make the statement for question number 4. Number of pieces out of 1 cake, that is given 7. Okay, now what was the number of guests there? That is 84. Okay, so 84. Now what we will do? 84 divide 7. Now again 7 ones are 7 minus as 7 twos are 14. Is it more than 8? So 7 from 8, 1. Take this 4 here. Now 14, 7 twos are 14 minus 0, 0. So the answer which we got is she need 12 cakes for 84 guests. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the word problem with statement. Now question number 4 is 127 flowers were divided equally to make 8 rangolis. How many flowers were used for each? How many flowers were left? Now in this we have to find out the number of flowers used and number of flowers left. That means you will get a remainder. So let us solve this one. Total flowers. What was the total number of flowers given there? That was 127. Okay. Now, and how many rangolis to be made? Number of rangolis to be made, that was 8. Okay. Now what I have to do? 127 divide 8. Now 8 ones are 8 because 8 2 will be 16 and 16 is more than 12. So 8 from 12, that is 4. Now take this 7 here. Now take the table of 8. 8 5s are 45. 8 6s are 48. Now 48 is more than 47. So we will take the number which is less than 47. And that is 45. And that is 8 5s are 40. Sorry. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. So 8 5s are 40 minus 0 and 7. So the answer which you got is 15 flowers used and 7 flowers left. Okay. So students, in this way with proper statement you have to solve the word problems of 9C. This one you practice at home. 1 and 2, this you have to solve in copy as solution is given there. So you have to make the statement. 3 and 4, 5 I will provide you. So with this your chapter 9 is over. Okay, I hope division now somewhat you have understood the division. Students, learn the table. It will be easy for you. Okay, so complete the notes of chapter 9 and in next class we will start our new chapter. Okay, so with this today's class is over. Okay, take care.